This is a beginner-friendly commentary setup. Audio in Audacity, video in DaVinci Resolve. Simple, reliable, and completely free. Just to be completely clear up front, this video is about commentary style content. Voice, gameplay or visuals, images, text on screen, face cam, green screen, and advanced motion stuff, that's later. This is the foundation. The first step is recording your audio in Audacity. Pick your mic, make sure you're not clipping, and just talk. Consistency matters more than the gear. Same mic, same distance, same room if you can. I keep audio cleanup boring on purpose. Just a little noise reduction if you need it, light compression, and that's it. If you overprocess audio early, it usually sounds worse. Clean beats clever. Export your audio as a WAV file. It's uncompressed, it works everywhere, and storage is cheap. This will get you the highest quality audio file. From here, we move into DaVinci Resolve. Create a new project, bring in your audio first, and then start working on your visuals. Placing the audio first becomes the backbone of the video. Now that you are adding visuals, you're just supporting what you're saying. Images, screen recordings, gameplay, text, whatever fits. You don't need motion graphics. Clear visuals and readable text beat flashy effects every time. The reason I like this setup is because it scales with you. When you're ready for facecam, subtitles, better exports, you just add pieces. You don't start over. If you're wondering about facecam or green screen, that's just another layer in Resolve. We'll check that out in later videos. This is more than enough to start making solid commentary videos today. In the next videos, I'll cover subtitles, exports, adding facecam cleanly. Still free, still simple. I'll put the download link for DaVinci and Audacity in the description. Good luck out there, and if this helped you, drop a like or subscribe. It helps a lot. And come back for new videos if you want more tips and tricks on how to make content for free.